Hey everyone, welcome back to Geek for Tutorial. Today we are starting a brand new series on Git and GitHub Essential for Beginners. And in the very first video, let's answer a simple but important question. Why do we need Git? Imagine you are working on a project, maybe a website or a Python app. At first, it's just you. You make changes directly in your files, save them, and that's it. But soon, things start to get messy. You are not sure which file is the latest version. You copy paste folders like project final v2, final, final, really final. Sounds familiar, right? Now, let's make it harder. What if two or more peoples working on the same project? How do you keep track of who changed what and when? What if someone accidentally breaks the code or deletes an important file? So, without a proper system, collaboration becomes a nightmare. And this is exactly where Git comes in. Git is a version control system. That simply means it helps you keep track of all the changes in your project, like timeline for your code. So with Git, you can save different versions of your project, revert back if something breaks, work together as a team without overwriting each other's work, clearly see who made changes, which changes, and when. In short, give gives you control, safety, and collaboration power for your projects. Now, you might have also heard about GitHub. Here's the difference. Git runs on your computer. It is the tool that manages your version. GitHub is a cloud platform where you can store Git projects online and collaborate with others. Think of Git as your personal notebook and GitHub as an online library where you can share your notebook with the world. So, to sum up, Git is an essential because it keeps your project safe, organized, and make collaboration so much easier. In the next video, we will actually install Git on your computer and set it up step by step. So, don't miss that. So, if you found this useful, hit the like button, subscribe for more, and let's continue this journey into Git and GitHub together.